is a simple tutorial for voting in the BGI Nexus grant. I'll leave the link in the description and then scroll down to the page and click Vote Now. After that, you'll be asked to provide an email, which you can provide whichever email that's more convenient, and actually to confirm it in your inbox. After you confirmed it, you'll have to return to the previous page where you launched and continue basically the voting. The voting consists of pairwise voting, so we'll have two projects. In this case, it was Glucose DAO, since we supported, we figured it. And other projects. Between the two pairs, you must choose only one, and do so for the 8 selections you'll have. It might actually be the same project twice, or you might actually not find a project you want to support. However, it's important for the community to vote for one of the two. Your vote matters. At the end, you can subscribe, share, or just go back. This is how you can complete the voting for this grant.